Meaning of furtherance.
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 Furtherance. The word furtherance refers to the act of promoting or advancing something, usually a cause or an idea. It implies a conscious effort to help bring about a desired outcome or goal. This could involve actions such as advocating for a particular policy, raising awareness about an issue, or providing resources and support to individuals or groups working towards a shared objective. Ultimately, the aim of furtherance is to facilitate progress and achieve success in the pursuit of a particular aim or objective.